mama, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I trim my curly hair, and I'll also be giving you a couple of tips of how to trim your own curly hair and just basically the steps on how I trim my hair. So if this is something that interests you, stick around and watch me work a little hair magic. Okay, so to start off this process, as you can see, my hair is not completely down. I have two little braids right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those down. I'm actually just gonna cut them off, not the braid, the little rubber band that's holding them. So I cut the rubber bands off the braids. Now I will unbraid them. Yeah. Before I actually trim my hair, I will give you the rundown of what exactly it is I'm trying to trim off. So to begin with, some of my ends are damaged. You might be able to see some blonde-ish kind of parts here. Well, not blonde, but like they're significantly lighter than the top of my hair. That's damaged from when I dyed my hair bright orange about 2 years ago. And you also might be able to tell that some of the parts are straight compared to the others. So this piece that I have in my hand right now is not technically completely straight at the end, but it is straighter than the top of the curl. Some of the pieces that have the lighter ends, those ends are a little bit straighter than the top curls. So I want to basically clip out the straight parts, and also just some of the color overall, because that's the damaged hair. And I just know that as my hair grows out, the damage is probably just going to keep moving up. It's going to keep splitting upwards, and I don't want to have like a whole strands of split follicles. So yeah, I'm working on clipping out the straight ends. And also, if you notice, my hair is very frizzy, very frizzy. And if you look at some of the pieces like this one, you don't even see any definition to it. So I want to basically snip off any of the excess frizz that doesn't need to be there. So by doing so in order to do that, I will be basically twisting each hair piece and then cutting along the hair where all the basically the frizzy parts that stand up. So right there you can see some of the hair is just popping out, sticking up, and that's exactly what I want to snip off. So these little parts like standing up. And after I cut all of the excess hair that I no longer want on my ends, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair out, style it, and then go through again any pieces that don't necessarily hold a great shape to my hair. So then is when I would like kind of style the shape of my hair, but I won't try too hard since I'm not a hairstylist, and I'm just trying to trim this thing I got here. So let's jump right in. While I'm trimming it, I won't be talking anymore. I'll be listening to music, so you're welcome. And this is the final look. So again, going through the process that I did, I literally just went by chunks of strands and cut off the ends that were either straight or just completely dead and split. And then I also just twisted the parts together and trimmed off the excess hairs that were sticking out. I did not change the shape of my hair, so I didn't try to like make it into a style or make it into a particular cut. I just literally trim the ends. So do not get scissor happy. You might end up coming out with a haircut that you actually don't like, and you don't want that to happen, because next time you go in, you might have to cut a little bit more than you wanted to in the first place. So I would say I did a pretty good job with this trim here. There are some parts that are still a little bit frizzy, and you can see they're still lighter at the end, but I didn't want to cut off too much and then end up basically having to give myself a short haircut, because I didn't want that. I just wanted a little trim. So I'm very pleased with it, and I hope you learned a little bit and can use some of these techniques that I used from this video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.